Hi guys, welcome to my video. Today's video is the FabFitFun Winter Edit Sale, everything that I got, including the Winter Editor's box. I actually really held myself back during the Winter Edit Sale. I think I spent a little bit over $100, and that included a Winter Editor's box. So Winter Editor's box is kind of like another FabFitFun box. If you get it through the edit sale, you don't actually get to choose what's in it. Hey, I'm back. I forgot to tell you what an editor's box is. So an editor's box is a box with all of the staff and customers, which I don't know how they know that, favorite FabFitFun items of the past. So that is why you will see some of past FabFitFun items in my Winter Editor's box. Usually, somebody gets this box because they are a new customer, and if they sign up as a all access member, they can customize some of it. If they sign up as a select customer, they can customize the entire box. That's why there's 4 to 5 or even more options for each section. If you're already a member, you do not actually customize the editor's box, but you can buy them in edit sales or sometimes in add-on sales. And basically FabFitFun gives you a random draw of products. It's the same price, I believe, as a FabFitFun box. So it's just for someone who's brand new signing up. They can sign up for the editor's box and kind of get that while they wait for their first FabFitFun box. So if the winter box is sold out, you could get the winter editor's box, and then your first box would technically be spring. I hope that helps. I did all my research. You guys know I did all my research if you are not new to this channel. If you are new to this channel, you can still watch my research. I think I have 3 separate videos, and today, if you are a FabFitFun member, is the last day to order in the edit sale. All members. So you can go ahead and check that out if you want to. But I did all my research. I picked out the best products for me. The first thing that I got, it's actually for a mother, but I still think it would be cool for anyone. It's a power bank and it clips. Maybe if I open it, you'll see. So it's called Mommy Power Stroller Power Bank. But it's just basically like this big and you can clip it onto things. So I just thought that that would be really cool, like to have in my car or to have like somewhere where I could just unclip and reclip it and easily find it, because I have a lot of power banks, but where they are right now, I could not tell you. So what the box says, your hook can hold up to 25 pounds. Probably that's about the size of my purse. And it has built-in LED indicator lights, displays the battery charge level. It's 5,000 mAh. I don't know what mAh stands for, but I'll put that here. Battery, and it's 2 times extra battery power, rubber gripped, 200 hours talk, text, stream, shop. It's pre-charged and ready to use. The next item, I should say items, because I got multiple, are Spongeli. So I have the Freesia pear. Ooh, I like that. I have beach grass. Not actually something that I would normally think is going to be the scent that I would like, but it's actually not bad. I guess I only have 2. Where's my little cheat sheet? I only got 2. You guys, that's a record. I am so proud of myself right now. I only got 2 Spongeli when there was probably like 15 to choose from, and normally I get 15. So I'm evolving. New year, new me. Please don't say that. The next thing that I got is the R&Co Freeway Defining Spray Gel. Spray gel scares me, but I think I just wanted to try it. Has anybody used this? I'm going to spray it in the container because I don't know what spray gel is like. Okay, so it's kind of like hairspray, but it has a really cool, like, different texture. It just smells like soap. It doesn't, I mean, there's no floral, there's no fruity. It just smells like clean. And that's called R&Co Freeway Defining Gel Spray. The reviews were good. That's why it was in my cart. Actually, this is perfect because this blanket here, my Unhide Little Marshmallow, I have used every single day, literally every day, other than when I was on vacation on a cruise, since I got it. And they happen to have another Unhide product, the Unhide Lil Squishy. It's a pillow, it's faux fur, just like my favorite blanket ever. So, you know I had to try that. It feels exactly the same. I hope they have this again. If they still have it, I can get another one. I love this. This is going on my couch. My dogs are gonna steal this from me. Maybe it won't go on my couch. Maybe it'll go in my bedroom. But I'm definitely gonna grab another one tonight because that feeling is phenomenal. If you have this blanket, you know, it's just like unreal how good they are at the faux fur thing. The brand is good. The next item that I got is from Luxie. Luxie brushes are actually some of my favorite brushes. I especially like their Pro Series, even though it's a little bit more pricey. But I got this brush set. They are cruelty-free brushes. They are pink. We all know that my favorite color is not pink, but they are soft. They are pretty. This is really durable. They last a long time. They have a good weight to them, which I think helps with kind of like the balance of getting everything sculpted just right. All of them feel just as nice. All of them are just as heavy. It's not really heavy because you don't want them to be too heavy, but it's also not lightweight. Like you want them to have some weight to balance so that when you're holding your brush at the end, like diva-ish. The last item, like single item that I grabbed is the Lorac Tantalizer Blendable Bronzing Powder. We're gonna try it right now with my new brushes. I am not good at opening this. I'll actually use this round top blender brush. It's not really meant for this. How does one open this thing? Okay. Yeah, I like that. That's a nice color. And I love bronzer to have shimmer in it. Anything that's going right there on my cheek, I want it to have a little bit of shimmer. That was the last item, but that is not the last thing in my box. It is basically the size of a FabFitFun box. If you get it in the winter edit sale, you do not get to choose what goes inside of it. So this is all a mystery to me. I did see some spoilers of some of the items, but that is literally it. That's all I know. It's kind of exciting. I'm actually like really liking this bronzer in the viewfinder right there, which also means I'm not looking at the camera. I gotta learn to look at the camera. I'm not good at it. There's multiple boxes. There's the starter box. There was the promo box, which is basically the starter box, but it's worth a little bit more. There's the regular box. Then there's the editor's box, because the editors pick their favorite products to go into the editor's box. It's like, this is too many boxes. So the first thing I see in here is Skinvolve. I've had this before because it was just as hard to say the last time. Body Boost Gel. I'm not gonna lie, I have not used this, the last one that I got. I think I got it in the fall, right? Or summer. I don't know, but I have not used the other one. So now I have two. Not the best start to my editor's box. But I do see in here Dr. Brandt Luminizer Primer, Pores No More. This is definitely something I'm glad to get. I love Dr. Brandt. And this primer, I should have told you how much the Skinvolve thing was, huh? Skinvolve Body Boost Gel is retail value of $45. The Dr. Brandt Skincare Pores No More Primer is valued at $38. And this says, refine the look of pores and create a smooth canvas for flawless makeup application. There are definitely lots of silicones in here. If you're avoiding silicone, you can avoid this product. I don't always avoid silicone, but if I'm having oily skin, I do, because silicone creates a layer on your face. It holds some things in, including the natural oils of your face, and that can lead to breakouts, acne, all of that. Some people are sensitive to silicone, just like in general. I am not. I can definitely do this when I'm having like drier skin. I should also say that silicone is not always comedogenic, so when I said that it creates a layer on your face, it's just because of the molecular weight of it. It is not actually like something that's going to cause acne. So if you don't normally get acne, you could still get away with using silicone on your face, but it's your call. The next company is the Ico London Eye Duo Black Eyeliner. I do not own this. I've been wanting to try this because I've seen other really positive reviews about it, and I love eyeliners that have this like tip, like felt tip. She is black. So that is blackest black there. That Ico eyeliner is a $22 value. The next item I have is from Levito. I've got Levito from FabFitFun before, but not this specific product. This is a nurturing hand cream in musk, coconut, and shea butter. The other product was also a hand cream, but it did not look like this. It's completely different shape and a completely different scent. So we get to smell a new scent. It's very nice. It's very light. So if you are not into a lot of heavy fragrance on your lotion, this one is really like manageable, and it just has like a slight nutty and coconutty scent to it. The retail value of the Levito Nurturing Hand Cream in Musk, Coconut, and Shea Butter is $14. The next item that I found is from another company that FabFitFun just seems to be a fan of certain companies or has deals with certain companies, and Skin & Co. is one of them. This is the Skin & Co. Roma Truffle Therapy Radiant Dew Mist. Soothe, protect, and illuminate the skin with this dewy mist. Retail value is $35. As always, we're going to spray it this way first. And then we're going to spray it this way. I'm still scared. I don't know why I'm scared. It kind of smells like mint. I like it. That is like a positive for me too. I love facial mist. So now we have another spray, but this is a room spray. It is from Kraft & Foster, and it says Guava and Fig Room Spray. This is in a glass bottle. Oh, I like that. I love tropical fruits. That's like, whenever I get candles, it's either something sickeningly sweet, like sugar cookie, and then it makes me sick, or it's very fruity, like guava or coconut or something like that. I love the smell of this. I have not even looked at the last, I think, 2 items in the box that I have here. This is going to be my favorite item out of this box. The retail value of the Kraft & Foster Room Spray is $18. Does not have to have the highest value to become my favorite item, apparently. The next thing we have here is a bag from 11 by Venus. So this is Venus Williams brand. It is a gym brand. I don't need a gym bag. I probably shouldn't be opening this because I'm opening it to show you. It's kind of cool that it comes in this like disc and opens up. And what do you do with this part when it's just open like this? Does it zip? Oh, it zips the other way. That's kind of genius. I'm not gonna lie. That's pretty genius. It doesn't look like it's the best material, but I cannot say that for sure. It just, if you look at it from the inside, there's light coming through certain sections, like it looks patchy. And that's pretty innovative that they have that part that you can just smush it in and make it compact. Throw it like in your travel situation, luggage, and then unzip it and take it to the local gym wherever you travel. That's pretty cool. I'm not gonna lie, I love that. The retail value of the 11 by Venus Williams foldable gym bag is $15. And then last but not least, well, maybe least, but I can't make that call without playing with it first, is this Summer and Rose bag. I'm gonna tell you right now, this bag is most likely gonna go into one of my giveaways. I don't need any more bags. I have so many bags that I need to get rid of, and I just don't think that I will wear it. So there's no point in me opening this up. I'm gonna leave it in here, but it is snakeskin. It feels pretty good. It feels thick. It's like a tote bag. It's pretty wide. It's pretty big. And this is the Summer and Rose Rosy Snakeskin Tote Bag. Faux snakeskin is in. Is it? That's what they're saying. This carry-all tote is the perfect size to hold your everyday essentials. Retail value, $58. I don't always trust the Summer and Rose retail values, but they do have cute stuff, just not $60 bags. I would say this is probably a good like $35 or $40 bag. I don't know, I haven't pulled it out and played with it, but that is my guess based on my past experience with the rest of the Summer and Rose bags. I was hoping for the 111 Skin Rose Gold Radiance Booster. I will probably hunt for it because there is somebody who's going to try to get rid of it in like the swap box community, but that's what I was hoping I was going to get in this box. I obviously knew I was taking a gamble and I was not going to know everything that was going to be in my box. Let's figure out the retail value of my box. $58 tote bag, $38 primer, $22 eyeliner, $15 gym bag, $45 boost gel, $35 dew mist, $18 room spray, and $14 hand cream. The total value of my box is $245. I only paid $39.99 for it. That's a steal, $245 for $39.99. That's it, that's my video. Let me know what you think. Is there something you're grabbing in the winter edit sale? Because you literally have to do it tonight. Today's the last day. When I post this is the last day. So if you're grabbing anything, let me know. Are you getting any of the same items that I did? Did you already get things? Because if you're a select member, you already did. Thanks so much for watching, and I will see you guys next time. Bye!